for math. We're talking about the number 10. 10. Very exciting. I love it when all my fingers work together. 10. 5 plus 5, 10. It's very exciting. If you did a 10 frame, the top would have all 10 and 5 and the bottom would have 5. 10. I love it. Today we're going to write the digits in 10. It's the first number with 2 digits. So, let's look at my board for a quick minute. As you can see, we're going to do it a little differently. For 10s, they have a dot in the corner of the first box and in the middle of the second box. That's because it's numbers we've already written. You're going to put your pencil on the first dot and pull straight down. 1. And then we need touch the side, touch the bottom, touch the side, touch the top. What number did I make? 10. 1, 0. And then on the line, 1. Oops, see how I'm starting at the top and touching the line, 0. I'm going to do it again. I think you have 3 sets you're going to do of this. 10 is a 1 and a 0. And on the line, 1, 0. We start at the top, touch the bottom, back to the top. Okay? I think that is going to be very easy for you because we've already practiced 1s and 0s. So this is the only page today in your math notebook. So take your time. Practice your name. Now listen, we've had all the vowels. So when I look at your paper today, I'm going to see if you have a lowercase a, if you made it like this. And if you have an E, like Ed, I'm going to look to see if you did the lowercase e. So even though it's math, it's still important that we do our very best handwriting. And today, when I get a picture of your work, I'm going to look at that too. I want you to put your, oops, upside down, sorry guys. I want you to put your name there in your very best kindergarten writing. And if we've learned a letter and how to write it lowercase properly, I want to see you do it, okay? And then these. Well, that's not enough. 10 is such a cool number. So, today, I'm getting out my whiteboard, but that's just because I need a place to work. And I want you to get out your rods. Now, don't do it yet, okay? Right now, I want you to watch me. But when we turn off the video, then you can do your 10 paper and you can get your rods. So right now, you're going to be watching me. Now, let's see if we can remember the rules. What do we take out of our bag? Did you say one of each? Yes, one of each. So when I take these out, oops, I have got too many browns. So here, I'll show you my board. Oops. See that? There's my board. I don't need that one. So I am going through and I'm going to try to get one of each. Wow. And now that we know about the colors, maybe we'll get them all. So after we get out what we think is one of each, the best way to check is to build a staircase. Now, if you want your mom or dad to time you, see how fast you could do it, I think that's fun. That's up to you. You can decide. Because fast isn't the most important thing. But there's my staircase. So when you do yours, you're going to get out one of each and build a staircase. Did I get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did. Very good for me. I'm going to keep these nearby. I don't need them yet. I'm going to keep them nearby. Now we're going to be talking about the number 10. And your job today is going to be to make 10 as many ways as you can. Find all the hidden numbers. So I'm going to take out my 10 rod. And let's see what I can make. Well, if I start with the 1, what would I need to go with 1 to make 10? 1. Oh, look at that. Can you say that equation? 1 plus 9 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. I could also say 10 equals 9 plus 1, and 10 equals 1 plus 9. Cool. So I'm going to move this up here because 1 plus 9 equals 10. Now I'm going to take the 2 rod because I like to go in order. What would go here? Let's try that 8. Does it fit? Oh, it does. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Can you read it this way? 8 plus 2 equals 10. Or 10 equals 2 plus 8. Or 10 equals 8 plus 2. Cool. That's another hidden pair. Wonder, are there any more? Want to take the 3? What would go with the 3? I would try the 7. That's my plan. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 equals 3 plus 7. 10 equals 7 plus 3. Cool, look at that. We found all these hidden numbers. Are there any more? I'm going to take the 4. I guess I will try the 6. Yeah. Look at that. That worked too. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 equals 4 plus 6. 10 equals 6 plus 4. Wow. This is all I have left. What's that rod? That's a 5. What would go here? I gotta go in my bag, don't I? Do you remember what would go with the 5? 5 plus 5 equals 10. There it is. 5 plus 5 equals 10, or 10 equals 5 plus 5. That's pretty cool. Well, boys and girls, my challenge to you was to watch me. Oops, hold on. Things are falling. And if you watched me, that's great. And you thought about what I just did. Well, now the video is going to be over, and you're going to get out your rods. Now, if you would like to turn it on again and follow along with me for the second time, that would be okay. Or if you want to work on it by yourself and see what you can do, build the 10 frame. Build the staircase. If you want mom or dad to time you, see how fast you can go, you know what? There's 2 sets of staircases in here. If you have a brother or a sister or somebody at home and you want to give half to them and half to you and see who can do it the fastest, that's a great thing to do. Make all of your hidden pairs, your hidden numbers in 10. You could do it with me by turning on your video again. So you make some decisions there, but practice. 10's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you tomorrow for more math fun.